Ayan na, ayan na.
Umimik na, umimik.
Ayan!
There is an answer. Let's stand, okay? Oh my God. Ano ba ang magulo nito? Magsio po tayo lahat. Magsio po tayo. Magsio muna kayo. Nasa script yan. Ano ba ang kaguluhan nito? Ano ba ang problema nyo ngayong gabi? Wait, ha? I think I know you. Sa tingin ko, kilala kita. Kasi taon-taon, lagi ka nauubusan ng beer. Every year, you run out of beer. Pero this time, parang maaga ang pagkakulang ng beer.
Sir, I know you also. Pwede sa English? Taglish, pwede ba? Kasi, I know you also. Yeah? I have. But you look different now.
I know you too, pare.
My question is, how did you get in heaven?
Because there is no beer.
Yeah, but I remember that 2 years ago, you helped us.
Yeah.
And you did a miracle. And we didn't run out of beer.
Tama ka dyan, pare. You're correct there, brother. But, you know, my boss up there give me only a limited power of a cake of only 30 liters. Nilimitahan ako ni boss na isang cake na 30 litro lang. Eh, ito eh, 50 litro. 50 liters. Anyway, dahil sa ikaw ay Belgian, dahil sa
Hindi nasa script yan.
dahil sa ikaw ay marunong English at napakahusay magtagalog, magbibigyan ka siguro niya. Teka, hintayin mo ko saglit. Tatawagan ko siya. Tatawagan ko si boss.
Okay, sige na.
I will text
Sige na, tulungan mo ako.
you.
Okay, sige na. Tulungan mo ako.
Hello, boss. Good evening, boss. There is a problem here. This is your archangel, Manny Gabriel. You know, the problem here is... Okay, boss. I will tell them. Boss, sasabihin ko sa kanila, ha? Thank you.
Is there any hope?
Wait, I will place myself. Good news, brother. Good news, pare. So, he wants me to remind you of only one thing. Gusto niyang ipaalala sa iyo at sabihin sa inyong lahat. There is one man here tonight. Who is it? Who, I don't know. Who can change, imagine, who can change water into beer?
Wow!
Good news, huh? He changed water into wine, but now he can change water into beer. Because you request, because you are a Belgian. And you know this man actually live in a street in Palestine. Talaga ang taong ito na buhay mismo doon sa isang kalsada sa Palestino.
Nazareth.
Sa Palestine talaga.
From Nazareth.
At alam ko na he might be one of my boss descendant. Galing siya sa angkan ni boss. Katunayan, ang tao ito ay mula sa Nazareth. He is from Nazareth.
But what good can come from Nazareth?
Yes, there is.
Of course, I know one. I know personally one who was from Nazareth, and he was fantastic. But who is the other one from Nazareth?
There is another one fantastic person from Nazareth, and he's right here sitting beside me.
Oh God, thank you, thank you for helping us out. But this is not yet the end of the story. We still have to see, because they're very nice things. These are just promises, okay?
That's good.
Mr. Nazareth, please make it happen tonight. I know you have done wonderful things. Do not fail us this time, okay? Otherwise I have to send people home. What should we do to solve our problem?
Subsidies.
Whatever tells
It's
you,
a good.
she tells you, or else.
Do whatever she tells you, or else.
Who is she?
Do you have an experience?
It's Joy.
Concept, di ba? Kaibigan niya.
Please keep quiet. He's demonstrating his power now.
Fill the keg to the brim.
Observe, ha?
Sakrilit.
Again. Again. We got no
Mr.
one here
Vigil.
to bring. It's something else to be right with that kind of...
You are true.
You can see now the miracle.
Wow, wala.
It's still water.
Pare, teka. Don't panic, ha? Pare, huwag kang mag-relax lang. Relax lang. May I ask everybody to stand up? Don't panic. May I ask you to turn back to the west.
Because you turn to the west. It's faith. You turn to the west. You turn to the west. It's faith. And just bow your head.
Bow your head. Bow your head. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Believe that's going to happen.
And then, let us pray for a while.
And now turn to the east and we buhay mabuhay ang bawat isa. Mabuhay ang pagkakaisa. Mabuhay mabuhay ang bawat isa. Mabuhay mabuhay ang pagkakaisa. Heavy. Mabuhay ang bawat isa.
It's now white.
Mabuhay ang pagkakaisa. I hope you'll be back next year, huh? Yeah.
You will, I will do the same thing because you are a Belgian.
I hope the man from Nazareth, will be back next year again. Huh? Okay? You're a very powerful man. Huh? Especially when we turn our back to you.
Okay?
Mga kababayan! Wala kong beer.
Now we come for the second round of our Oktoberfest King. Palakpakan po ulit.